Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to the daily current affairs quiz discussion. Today is 3rd of May. Let us start our discussion today. Guys, the very first question which I have framed on a very important news item today, you can see here India protests Chinese road construction in the POK Valley. If you go through this news item in the Hindu newspaper, you will come across two important map points, one of which already UPSC has asked in 2020, just 3 years before. Guys, you can see here Saksgam Valley and Siachen Glacier are two important map points which is very important in this news article. You can see this question UPSC has asked in 2020. Siachen Glacier is situated to the east of Aksai Chin, east of Leh, north of Gilgit, north of Nubra Valley. So similar question I have framed today. You can see here Sakchgam Valley. Sakchgam Valley is situated to the south of Xinjiang province, east of Siachen Glacier, west of Gilgit-Baltistan, and south of Nubra Valley. You see how I frame questions directly on the UPSC pattern. That is why our Lakshya test series is the best test series in the country. It is the closest test series you will get as far as UPSC prelims is concerned. Guys, the answer to this question is option A. Let me show you the map. Guys, you can see here this is the Siachen Glacier, this is the Sakigam Valley, this is Aksai Chin, and this is Gilgit Baltistan. You can see here from the map we can easily say that you can see here from the map we can easily answer this question that Xinjiang, okay, is this province. Xinjiang is this province. So you can see here south of Xinjiang province is the Sakhyam Valley, because you can see the other options are east of Siachen Glacier. You can see this is located on the west of Siachen Glacier. It is located on the east of Gilgit Baltistan, and it is located on the west of Aksai Chin. Okay, guys, and north of Nubra Valley. Okay, so all these options are wrong. Only option A is correct. Okay, next question. Removing exotic plants with ensure food for animals. Guys, exotic plants create havoc for the wildlife. So in this context, let us see this question. Consider the following: neem, mango, and eucalyptus. How many of the above are native breed? Guys, eucalyptus is not a native breed, it is an exotic breed. So we get the answer only two. Neem and mango are native plants of India. So I'm giving you an assignment. Prepare a list of all native species of trees in India. Okay. Next question. Sorbates, neotame, and sulfites in news refer to pesticides, bleaching agents, preservatives, or biofertilizer. So the answer is, guys, option C, preservative. Guys, recently there has been a huge controversy regarding spices which are exported from India. There are concerns that some traces of ethylene oxide has been found in these spices. In this context, food safety becomes very, very important. In our previous daily current affairs quiz discussion, I have already told you they are going to ask FSSAI. This body is the regulator of food safety in India. Prepare the food safety law in India and the role of FSSAI. Very important. So guys, you can see here they have mentioned sorbates, neotames, and sulfites. These three are very important because these three are sometimes used as preservatives. So the answer is option C. Very important. Such kind of okay questions are very popular in UPSC. Okay, you see exactly on the lines of UPSC I am framing the questions. Let us go to the next question, guys. Next question, you can see Supreme Court says that Law and order is a state subject. In this context, I framed a question. Consider the following: law and order, prison, public health, and census. How many of the above are under state list? So guys, you can see law and order is state subject. Just now, Supreme Court has observed this. Next, you can see prison is also a state subject. Public health is also state subject. Census is a union list. So we get the answer C. Last question. Recently, a viral video of boy screaming in pain after consuming a smoking biscuit. A smoking biscuit went viral. Which of the following ingredient led to the smoke? Sometimes you will see smoking ice cream, smoking biscuits, okay, and this is very dangerous. Okay, please do not consume such kind of smoking ice cream and smoking biscuits, smoking pan. So what is this smoke coming from? The smoke is coming from, is it liquid hydrogen? Is it helium? Is it liquid mercury? Is it liquid nitrogen? So the answer is liquid nitrogen. Okay, you can see here today in Hindu newspaper, liquid nitrogen in foods draw Tamil Nadu's ire yet again. So very important, liquid nitrogen. Please do prepare this. I think this question may come in the UPSC examination this year. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.